Good morning, traders. Happy Friday and happy holidays to everyone. I'm Michael Sabo, a senior commodities broker here with RJO Futures, coming to you here on Friday, December 21st. So let's get started here. We're going to talk about the energy markets and what do we have kind of going on here. Well, we've seen a pretty significant rise here over several sessions. We were down around lows of around 85.76 back there on December 11th. The market has really just kind of taken a big swing up to yesterday's highs of around 90.54. And today we're finally making a pretty good pullback in the market. We've got oil down right now about $1.81. We were off a little bit ago over $2. We're trading around 88.32. Brent's also a bit weaker. We're only down about $1.15, trading around 109.05. Taking a look at nat gas, bucking the trend. Nat gas prices are higher. That nat gas market, I've talked about that in some of my other posts here, and we really saw nat gas prices kind of pull back into some pretty significant oversold territory there, in my opinion, and we've really seen a nice upswing here in that market. So we're actually positive right now, about 1 to 2 cents. Jan nat gas, we're trading around 348.20. So give me a call. You want to talk? I got some strategies in there. You want to talk a little bit more about that. Then shifting and taking a look at the complex. Both the heating oil and the RBOB are both off roughly about 2.5 cents in each market there. So what's kind of been driving prices here? Well, we take a look here. Obviously, something we've mentioned here, and a lot of people have been talking about, has been in the headlines, been in the news, and that is the fiscal cliff. And although both parties did seem to get pretty close together, they just couldn't get close enough, and so no agreement has been reached, and we're starting to see a little bit of that risk-off type attitude. We've seen some positive economic data out here in the U.S., and it certainly, you look at the equities market. The equities market's kind of done the same thing, kind of been on that upswing here until today, and we're seeing that weakness there. So we've got a combination of things. I think you've got a risk-off type attitude. This fiscal cliff definitely weighing on the market, and the potential damage that it could do to an already sluggish demand for crude oil, and this could create even further, a lot more uncertainty in that market. You've got a dollar that's a bit firmer here right now. So you've got a lot of things coming into play. And then if you take a look at those technicals, as I mentioned, this market had really been in a significant uptrend here. About the last 5 sessions, this market has been up each day. I think technically the market is very overbought at this point, and looking to see some selling pressure, seeing some of the longs take a little bit of money here off the table. So, based on that, I think what you look for today here, you might see obviously a little bit lighter volume here as we get into the rest of the trading day. But in general, I expect prices to be under pressure here for the short term. So give me a call. You want to talk a little bit more, we can get into some detail. I've got some strategies. I'll be more than happy to share with you some different ideas on how you can take advantage of these markets. Give me a call at the number, shoot me an email, and we can talk about that. And of course, remember that futures trading does involve a substantial amount of risk, and it may not be suitable for all traders. Good luck and good trading.